Sprinkle this on your toenails and forget about nail fungus. It's a home remedy that will make your nails look fresh and well-groomed again. You'll notice results sooner than you think. Prepare 1 lemon. Its juice has cleansing, refreshing properties and effectively fights unpleasant odors. Squeeze all the juice and pour it into a small bowl. Don't throw away the peels. Cut them into smaller pieces and add them in. The peels contain natural essential oils and also have disinfecting effects. Now take an ingredient you definitely have in your kitchen. Baking soda has strong neutralizing and antifungal properties. Add 1 tablespoon to the lemon juice, then pour in 1 cup of warm water. Stir until the soda completely dissolves. Prepare a larger bowl, pour the mixture into it, and add another quart of warm water. You can start the nail soak right away. Immerse your feet for about 20 minutes and relax. Repeat this soak regularly, and your feet and nails will look clean and fresh. Nail fungus will no longer be your problem.